Hello, I'm CGTN's Paulo Cabral, and this is the Favela de Paraisópolis, one of the biggest slums here in the city of Sao Paulo. About 100,000 people live here, and there is much concern in areas like this about the COVID-19, about the coronavirus epidemic. You can imagine social distancing is not easy in such a crowded place with narrow areas, with narrow alleys, and also public services often lack here. So the community has organized to take care of themselves. You've seen already one ambulance. I'll talk a bit further about this now, but let's just show here, if Alexandre could show. This is a workshop where they are producing masks, 50,000 masks that are going to be distributed for free here in the Paraisópolis community. So let me just shut the door again. And the ambulance, yes, we've seen one already. There is a second ambulance right here, and there is a third one, but this third one is now on call. It's being called, and they do this to actually all kinds of emergencies are served by these ambulances and these medics, but above all to find people with symptoms of COVID-19. They have been organized and are being paid for by the Paraisópolis Community Association.
We felt we had to do something because the public authorities are absent here. No public policies were thought out to deal with the slums now in the pandemic, so we had to come out with our own public policies. And actually, the spread of the coronavirus in Brazil will show clearly how much the slums have always been abandoned by the authorities. For example, some recommendations of the Ministry of Health cannot be followed here. How can everybody wash their hands regularly if many don't have running water?
A favela e as suas especificidades. Então nós decidimos criar nossa própria política pública.
And this is another initiative, this one organized by the Women Association of Paraisópolis. They are, as you can see there, Alexandre can show it to us, they are preparing meals that are going to be distributed in the community. This is a poor community. Many informal workers live here in Paraisópolis, and now with the social distancing, many of these people cannot work and are facing severe economic problems, many even to buy food. So very important initiative, some initiatives that have been making the Paraisópolis community a good example in the fight against COVID-19. I'm CGTN's Paulo Cabral here in this community center in Paraisópolis, showing how people are facing the pandemic.